BMW Concept Skytop, the most beautiful bimmer of the last decade. BMW's latest concept combines the Z8 and the 503 Roadster to offer a striking interpretation of the M8 replacement. The new BMW Concept Skytop bears traces from the Z8 and 503 Roadster. It has the BMW M8 Competition's 617 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine. The concept was painted in a special gradient finish by one of BMW's master painters. BMW has officially launched the Concept Skytop design study that will join the M Hybrid V8 art car on display at the Concorso di Eleganza Villa d'Este. Concept Skytop is a two-door, two-seat car with a targa roof and is powered by the 617 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine of the BMW M8 Competition. The Concept Skytop is probably one of the best designs we've seen from BMW in a decade. The company's classic shark nose and well-proportioned kidney grills make a comeback. The front end is uncluttered, with the unnecessarily flashy air vents seen on most modern cars, and the top-down view is almost speedboat-like in its silhouette. Like last year's well-received Neue Class sedan concept, there's more than a hint of the past in the design. BMW returns to its roots, referencing the Z8, which celebrates its 25th anniversary this year, as well as the BMW 503. There's a little bit of Aston Martin in the rear three-quarters, which isn't a bad thing, while the aluminum cladding fitted to the boot lid acts as a sort of central spine running the length of the bodywork and interior. The paint job is actually a gradient crafted by one of BMW's most experienced master painters. At the rear, the reddish-brown tone of the roof flows into a soft silver color with a chrome shadow effect on the exterior paintwork. When you take a closer look, you'll notice that the traditional door handles are missing, replaced by separate blades. Staying true to these details, BMW says the LED headlights are some of the slimmest units produced specifically for the concept. Even though it's a targa, the rear window is fully retractable for a more open-air experience. If you are wondering, the roof made of leather is divided into two parts. There's no fancy mechanism here, but at least there's room to store them in a special compartment. Once inside, you'll see that not only the roof is leather, with cow bits covering most surfaces in a reddish-brown color. Although officially a tribute to the Z8, the fact that the M8 Competition's engine has been name-checked makes us think there's more 8 Series hiding under that hood. Although there are doubts about the future of BMW's Grand Tourer, if this is the direction the next generation will take, then subscribe to us.